We have some new breaking news coming in that there's a row at polling booth in Varanasi. Police personnel have forced BJP workers to remove their caps. These are the shots that Ankit was talking about just a short while back and leave the Mahavir Mandir polling area. Ankit Tyagi is there. This was an election commission flying squad that came in. There were certain BJP workers, polling agents who were wearing saffron at that point. They were asked to remove those and move out. So this happened. That's the flying squad that came in and asked them. We'll just play those pictures and try and go across to Ankit to tell us more. Okay, Ankit is with us. Ankit, we're seeing these pictures of the EC flying squad coming in and asking them to remove the saffron that they were wearing.
Absolutely. It was the flying squad that came in. There were some BJP polling agents who were standing here. They were wearing a saffron cap and saffron t-shirt. But also, let me tell you, there was no, the lotus symbol was not on those t-shirts. But the election commission flying squad came, and as you can see in those pictures, heavily rebuked the BJP polling agents, asked them whether they have their cell phones, also told them not to stand here with these caps, and very quickly these wraparounds and also the caps were taken off by the BJP poll agents. So all of them have now shifted. In fact, you can see behind me, this is where the election commission polling agents, the election commission flying squad had come and rebuked the BJP polling agents. People here standing in queue. This is the polling booth where Murli Manohar Joshi would be coming in short while from now and will be exercising his franchise. So of course, EC being active as far as this part is concerned. The flying squad then move ahead to other polling stations to check what is going on and how it is happening. But as of now in Banaras, a lot of controversy is brewing as far as the election symbols are concerned.
Early morning controversy, and it's bound to be. It is the political ground zero. Professor Shiv Vishwanathan in the studio with us also. GVL Narasimha Rao from the BJP. Mr. Rao, I don't know if you've been seeing these pictures, but headlines today pointed out the fact that Ajay Rai was sporting the Congress symbol, and we'll play those pictures out for you on the screens, was sporting the Congress symbol as he was going in to vote. And at this point, as far as the BJP is concerned, we had Dr. Patra from the party who said that the election commission should take suo moto cognizance of this fact and take action against Ajay Rai, I beg your pardon. But the question is that all along we've seen the BJP also openly flouting and taking on the election commission.
No, I think in this election, the rules seem to be applying only to the BJP and not to our rivals. I think any kind of so-called misdemeanor for every other party, particularly the Congress seems to have been given special privileges in this election. So I'm not surprised. Ajay Rai, what he has done is a clear violation of rules. Symbols can only be displayed by the election commission at the polling station. And if Congress party has done this, I don't think we need to demand. Election commission cannot apply different set of rules for different political parties. I think if they don't do it, I think it will only further expose the kind of partisanship that has been shown. I think it's very unfortunate that we have to discuss this again and again, but unfortunately Election Commission, rather than understanding the grievances of the BJP and correcting the level non-existence of the level playing field, the Election Commission seems to be further ignoring all such misdemeanors by other parties.
Okay, but I believe the Election Commission has taken some preventive action. Preeti Chaudhary is at the polling booth where Ajay Rai had just come in to cast his ballot wearing the symbol. Preeti, what's the action that EC has taken on the ground?
Well, I'll just, Maruk, we're going to just point that out. It's interesting that in the studio, each political party is, we just heard Sambit Patra there and Mr. Narasimha Rao there saying that, talking about how each political party is doing the same, but it's free for all here. And I want to point out right after the news break that Ankit reported on how BJP cadres, they're wearing the saffron caps, have been shown out. There were polling agents who were sitting right here. I'll ask Prem to point out, if you remember in the morning, they were inside, they're not allowed to be inside. So polling agents of various parties were standing right here where these lines are of voters. They were standing beside them, and right after that news break, in about 10 minutes from now, all polling agents have been told to file outside. So if you can see, that is where they are standing. I'll ask camera person Prem to actually pan in. These are the polling agents. They have with them the voter lists. So they've been made to move outside. Just about 5 minutes back, we heard one officer come and give out the poll code, announcing it that if one poll agent of any particular party is found beyond this particular gate, they will take strict action. So of course, the news that we've been breaking right here on headlines today, making impact on the ground. What Ajay Rai Rai did, and of course after that Ankit's news break, and now the latest, about 6 polling agents have been thrown right out of the compound.
All right, I want to play Ajay Rai's reaction that came in. He tried to clarify and say, I'm the candidate from the area, I'm allowed to sport the Congress symbol. He's trying to give a redefinition or a new definition to the rules. Controversy has already started. Professor Shiv Vishwanath, is it the fact that political parties now feel it's the last day, let's flout all the rules, trying to use clever messaging, at the same time saying that the Election Commission can't do much now?
No, I think we have to be a bit more easy on this. There are errors, there are mistakes, there are violations. Sometimes it's illiterate. Someone like Ajay Rai puts up a symbol up here and says, it's dil ki baat hai. If it's a dil ki baat, he doesn't need the badge. I think it's as simple as that. And I think here it's blatant. But I think there's a bit of enthusiasm and a bit of illiteracy. And that seems to be standard. Whether it's polling agents, supporters, candidates. Somewhere the rule book has not been read by them. They forget elections is almost as rule bound as any parliamentary act. And that's what worries me.
But is it also because the BJP has openly questioned the Election Commission at several points, and also this Rao and Narendra Modi, that there seems to be somewhat of a decrease in the sanctity of the poll panel?
I think one has to see one thing. Particularly here, the epidemic of questions around the Election Commission have been at several levels, from the national to the ground level. I think every party has the right to object. The Election Commission has to respond, but respond in a particular style. But I think the ground level response has been sometimes a bit too slow.
Okay.
And that allows for a certain suspicion.
All right, and there are 3 instances since morning. One, Ajay Rai, Congress candidate from Varanasi, sporting the Congress symbol. The second, BJP workers were wearing saffron. Outside, these were polling agents inside the polling booth, and they have been removed by the EC flying squad.
There are no code restrictions, color violations.
Okay,
so
anyways, the Election Commission
if
said...
saffron is BJP, what is
no,
Congress?
No, they were also
what
wearing...
is Congress?
No,
I want to know what is Congress.
No, as far as this story is concerned, they were sporting not just the color saffron, but they were also wearing the symbol of the party, which is the reason why the EC flying squad came in and asked them to remove it. And the third one being that Akhilesh Yadav's photographs were on the polling officers' laptops inside the polling booth. So 3 violations that have already come in. And the 3 poll violations on the last day of polling. 3 controversies that we are seeing. One, Ajay Rai of the Congress party, candidate from Varanasi, sporting the Congress symbol. The other being the Election Commission pulling up BJP workers for sporting saffron and the party symbol near a polling booth. So the EC flying squad came in and made sure that they removed the clothes that they were wearing, and as well as the lotus symbol. And the third one of the Samajwadi Party also joining the poll violations with Samajwadi Party leaders Akhilesh Yadav and Mulayam Singh Yadav's photographs on laptops that belong to polling officers, not even polling agents of political parties, but polling officers, that too inside the polling station. So these are 3 clear violations, 3 controversies that have already developed. Ajay Rai very confidently saying that I am a candidate and I can wear the party symbol. There's absolutely no issues with that. Reminds us of the fact that when Narendra Modi was questioned for wearing the party symbol, even though as the BJP said he was well outside the premises of the polling booth and holding it while the press conference was on, at that time the Election Commission had asked the Gujarat electoral officer to file 2 FIRs against him for violating poll conduct. Is the Election Commission going to take suo motu action? From what we understand on the ground, polling agents in the polling area where Ajay Rai had come, the polling booth where he had come, have been moved out. So the EC flying squad moving around and taking action. But where will these rows or controversies move on? That remains to be seen. But early morning on election day, last phase, 41 constituencies, 3 states, there are 3 controversies that have already sparked off. Okay, Preeti is on the ground with us. Preeti, a quick roundup for the 3 controversies that have started on polling day. Last phase turning out to be quite interesting.
And it has to be, Baruch, it was the last 2 months of campaigning. What we've seen, Banaras was on steroids, and the climax has to be befitting, isn't it? Because even before we came here at 7 in the morning, there were long queues. Of course, they're thinned down a little right now, primarily because the temperatures are soaring. Yesterday, Banaras saw 48 degrees Celsius. The second thing, one controversy after the other. Ajay Rai came in the morning, joined the queue, taking a cue from Chiranjeevi there, not jumping the queue and going and casting his ballot, but he would have known little that he would be sparking a massive controversy by sporting the party symbol of the Congress while he went inside. He was wearing a pin, a pin tuck on his kurta, and we are showing those visuals there. He went inside, cast his ballot, came out. When we asked him that this was violation of the poll code, he went out and said that it's very close to his heart. He's a candidate. He wears it. Narendra Modi carried it in his hand while he will sport it right next to his heart. Completely unapologetic. Right after that, there was a news break where Ankit Tyagi, my colleague, is standing at the same booth where Murli Manohar Joshi. To put it in perspective, Murli Manohar Joshi was the BJP contestant from 2009. That is where Ankit Tyagi was there. And right outside, there were people sporting saffron hats. The flying squad of the EC threw them out. And just about 10 minutes back, polling agents, Maruk, to tell our viewers, every party has a polling agent next to a particular booth. Now, they have voter lists who they think are going to vote in favor of that particular party.
Right.
6 of them sitting right here, and they're not allowed to be inside the premises of a polling booth. And we saw an official from the Election Commission come in, throw all of them out, and then announce that if they enter the gates of this particular polling booth, strict action would be taken.
Okay.
So, of course, the authorities leaving nothing to chance, keeping in mind the kind of news that Banaras has been generating in the last 2 months. It's back to the studio, to you.
Okay, Professor Shiv Vishwanath, do you see this also as clever messaging by political parties?
If it's clever messaging, I'm worried about the IQ of parties. Because there's a lot of inanity. They also have to understand and respect the occasion, because any kind of mistake can be a source of suspicion. I think it is important, both for polling agents, flying squad, and the candidates, to emphasize that this election has to be immaculate.
Okay, Ram Kushwaha of the Samajwadi Party is joining us on the phone line. Mr. Kushwaha, there are pictures of Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav and Mulayam Singh Yadav on the laptops of polling officers. Clearly, this is a violation.
ने भी इस लैपटॉप का उपयोग किया है जानबूझ करके सरकार को बदनाम करने के लिए, माननीय मुलायम सिंह जी को और अखिलेश जी को बदनाम करने के लिए ऐसा किया गया है। ये धृष्टता है, उनका जो फोटो लगा।
आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि जहां समाजवादी पार्टी का सिंबल है, आपके दो जो नेता हैं उनकी तस्वीरें हैं, ये पोलिंग ऑफिसर्स अपनी एक कोई रणनीति चला रहे हैं।
बहुत गलत कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं किया जाना चाहिए। इसका मैं विरोध करता हूँ। किसी भी तरीके से पोलिंग स्टेशन में ऐसे लैपटॉप का उपयोग नहीं किया जाना चाहिए था। मैं यही कहूंगा, सरकार को बदनाम करने के लिए ऐसा ये अधिकारी कर रहा है।
आप सारा जो जिम्मा है वो अधिकारी पे डाल रहे हैं। ये तो पार्टी सिंबल यहाँ यूज हो रहा है। आपके वहाँ एजेंट्स भी हैं, उन्होंने इसको बंद करने की कोशिश क्यों नहीं की? अगर आपको लगता है इससे आपकी पार्टी बदनाम हो रही है।
जिम्मेदार है, जिसने भी लैपटॉप का उपयोग वहाँ पर किया है वो जिम्मेदार है। निश्चित रूप से आपके द्वारा ये जानकारी मिली है, इसके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Ram Asray Kushwaha of the Samajwadi Party saying that as far as this particular symbol and messaging inside the polling booth is concerned, this might be the conspiracy, as he seems to suggest, of the polling electoral officers.